The for-in loop in JavaScript is used for iterating over the enumerable properties of an object. This loop is particularly useful for assessing the properties of an object without needing to know the exact property names. Let's take a look at a simple example that iterates over the properties of an object and prints them. Let person is an object with a name Alice, age 25, and city Wonderland. To iterate over each object property, for let key in person, and to access the value of the property, we can use bracket notation property accessor here. So let's console log key and then person at key. And the output is name Alice, age 25, and city Wonderland. In this example, the for-in loop iterates over each property of the person object. The current property is represented by the variable key. You might want to filter our properties based on certain conditions while iterating. For example, let's print out only properties with values of type string. So for let key in person, if type of person at key is string, let's console log key and then person at key. And the output is name Alice and city Wonderland. The age property was skipped since its value is not of type string. Although the for-in loop is primarily intended for objects, it can also be used with arrays. However, it is generally not recommended for arrays as it iterates over enumerable properties, not just array elements. For example, let fruits is an array with apple, banana, and cherry, and then for let index in fruits, let's console log index and then fruits at index. And we get 0 apple, 1 is banana, and 2 is cherry. In this case, for-in iterates over the index property, not the array elements themselves. In the next lesson, we will discuss the for-off loop, which is intended to iterate over array elements. To sum up, the for-in loop is used for iterating over the enumerable properties of an object. The for-in statement consists of a property, which is a variable that holds the name of the current property being iterated over, and the object whose properties are being iterated over.